Good morning, this is Vincent Martone at MarineMax in Clearwater. Today I'll be walking you through our 2016 250 Outrage Boston Whaler Executive Demo. This 250 is equipped with twin 225 Mercury Verados, 6-cylinder supercharged engines, dual live wells, already equipped with dual outriggers, VHF radio, Mercury vessel view, Raymarine 16-inch navigation GPS chart plotter. Nice helm seats with flip-up bolsters, of course. Full head in the side of the center console. Bow seating, windlass anchor. Once again, this is a 2016 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage Executive Demo, direct from Boston Whaler. Will come with a full warranty, just like a brand new boat. Come and get it today. You can reach me at 727-536-BOAT or on my personal cell phone 803-760-0609. Again, this is Vincent Martone at MarineMax in Clearwater. Come and get this beauty.